Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to easily create a little lifted eye look. And you're probably like, girl, you already have your eye makeup on. This doesn't involve me applying my makeup. I've shared this a while ago, but I actually have a new little tool to try with it, if you will, okay? I'm just going to tell you, I've already tried the tool, so I know, but you haven't seen it. So recently I shared that Kiss Lashes reached out to me. They gifted me some lashes and nails, and they also gifted me some glue to try. So I'm going to show you guys this. I'm so excited about this because this is a game changer for me. And I don't know why nobody is talking about this stuff. Is amazing. And I'm going to get with the tip, but this is the big part of it, okay? So this is called the Lash Glue Liner from Kiss. So I'm going to go like this, okay? So you open it up and there's the little liner. Now it did get a little bit of, I had some liner on one day, but don't worry about that. Don't you worry. And when you store it, make sure you're storing it like this, okay? Not the other way, because we want to make sure when you use it, that glue's going to come down there for you, okay? You don't have to pump it or crank it. Like, there's nothing you do. You just apply this, okay? And then I'm going to take, these are pretty gross looking ones, so please don't judge me on this, okay? I didn't clean these off, so I'm not even going to zoom you in, okay? Oh, be a little bitch. Okay. So I'm not even going to zoom you in, but these are my Kiss 33 lashes. These ones are used and I haven't cleaned them, so no judgment. So that's what I'm using. So here's the thing. If you don't want to wear a full set of lashes, but you want to do a little bit of lift, what you can do is take lashes and cut them, like cut the ends off of them. Now I've tried this with other lashes, but these lashes look I mean, even when I wear these, they look so natural on me. They look really nice. So again, you just want to cut the end. You don't want to cut the lash that's in the inner part. You want to cut a little bit of the end of the longer part, okay? And you can use your judgment on how much, how long of a strip. So this is the one that I'm using. So this is how it looks. I'm going to zoom you in. Hopefully you can see that. See how little that is? And I think you can even buy them like this too. I haven't done that. They even sell individual lashes, which honey, I don't have time for that. I tried that one time. That's just a big no for me. This is much easier. So we just want to put this on our end, okay? And it's going to give my eyes a lift. It is going to change, seriously, it's going to change the shape of my eyes. You will see. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, I'm just going to put that on my little, I have a little towel. So I'm going to apply this first. So this is the lash glue. This is super easy to do. So we're going to go right, I kind of like guesstimate on how big that is just by looking at it, okay? And I'm going to go right up here and I'm going to apply right on, just right on top there, like that, okay? Then we're going to take the lash, and I'm not even using tweezers, okay? I'm not even using tweezers. I don't know why I'm whispering. And we're going to take it like this. And we're going to apply the lash. And if you don't get enough glue, you can just put it on. So it's not like you have to take this off since it's a liner. I already have it on. It's already on. This glue is freaking amazing. Look at that. It's on. It's on. Hello, it's on. Did I get it on the end enough? Yeah, I think so. And they're easy to get off, by the way, too. Easy to get off, so it's not like it's hard to get off. It isn't. I think I need to move it over a little bit though. Let me do it again because I feel like I need to move it a little bit. I want to get it a little bit closer to them because I want to get that lip. So let me do it again. Sorry if the mirror's in the way. I'm trying not to. Okay. Look at my monitor. I want to make sure. Okay. Now I got to make sure that I'm getting this onto that end more. Yeah. Like that. And that's it, you guys. This glue is awesome. You know what I love about it? Where's that little cap for it? Because I want to... You know what I love about it is the fact that it's like tacky right away. It's kind of like when you take your lashes off and it's like tacky. It's like that. Part of the problem with that a lot of people have when they're applying the lashes is you don't let it dry enough. So you don't let it dry, and I've done it, girl. I'm guilty of that, okay? I just get impatient and I just want to get going. But if you don't let it dry and then you put it on, it's going to slide all over the place. Then you're going to just want to throw a mirror at somebody or the wall. You just will. You'll just have a menopausal moment and you're just going to want to kill someone, okay? Because it's like you're going to be going out someplace, you're trying to get it done, and it's like, what the fuck? Okay? This is not like that. This is freaking amazing. And I'm going to blend this in with a little bit of mascara too, so it's going to lift it up more. You're going to see it more. You will. But look at how freaking easy. If I did a full lash, it'd be the same thing, okay? But I just wanted to show you this because if you want to get just that little lift on the ends, this is just nice because you can do this anytime. It's not gonna You're not gonna look like, oh, you got false, like nobody's gonna know. Nobody is gonna know. They're not gonna know, honestly, okay? So I'm gonna do it again. Just shaking a little bit. Just gonna play it. I just want to make sure that my mirror is not in your way. There it is. I see it. I see it coming out. Now, I do have another one. They sent me one that was black, but I like this because it's clear. So you don't see it. I don't want to... I never got the point of the black glue either. I just never got the point of that. But this is... Oh my God. I freaking love it. Look at... I'm not even using tweezers, you guys. I'm not even using tweezers. And they stay on. I haven't had it haven't had them come off. And I've used their other glue too, the aloe glue. Never had my lashes fall off with that either. I know I probably should be using Kiss lashes, but I really like these ones, okay? The ones that they sent me are a little for this. I just feel like these look the most natural. It doesn't get any easier than this, you guys. So now let's put on the mascara and kind of blend it in, and you'll see a difference, okay? So it's going to put on. So those are my real lashes here, and then in the end it's not. It looks like I might have to put that down a little bit. Looks like I did kind of didn't get enough glue on there, but that's why I like this. So look at it already though. See how that lifted my eye, and it almost gives it a different shape, doesn't it? I feel like it looks more, I don't know, it looks like I have wing liner, but I don't. You know what I mean? How I have that kind of like that look, you know what I mean? Yeah, this side got on good, but I didn't get the corner on that side, so we'll fix it. Now, always be careful when you take your lashes off. I always say that. You can just take your eye makeup remover and get it on a cotton and then just kind of gently pull it and then it'll come off, okay? You don't want to just rip these off. See how natural that looks though? It doesn't look like... I freaking love this. Okay, let me just fix this corner so I can see right there. Need a little bit more glue. Okay. That's all you gotta do. That's it. Look at how pretty they are. Isn't that pretty? I want to put on a little bit more mascara. Super easy to do. I freaking love that glue. That makes it so easy because I have done this before. I've shared this with you guys, but this glue is phenomenal. I love this. I can't even believe nobody's talking about this. This is fabulous. Now, I don't know how long it's going to last in this thing. I don't know. I don't wear lashes all the time, so it's not a big deal for me. But this is just so easy to use. This is easier than any magnetic lashes I've ever used. And I tested their magnetic lashes and you saw me test it. This is so much nicer. So you can get the Kiss lashes. I do like Kiss lashes. It's just that I don't have, like, I probably could have tried those, I guess. You know, if you're going to cut off the end there, you're just going to get that. But looks like the band is a little bit thicker. And I don't normally like thick bands like that. These are really comfortable to wear, these lashes. They're really comfortable to wear. That's all you want to do is just clip a little bit off the end. And it's just going to give you that nice little lift on the corners. And you can't even tell. Look at, if I close my eyes, you can't tell that I'm wearing false lashes. It just looks really real. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Really hope that it was helpful. If you've tried this, let me know. But definitely would check it out. Definitely highly recommend it. I love my Kiss. I love my MAC 33. So those are my favorite lashes. Always going to be honest with you. I did used to wear a lot of Kiss lashes. They do have some that I used to wear, and I think they were the Demi Wispies. I do like those. Those are really, really nice. But the MAC 33s are my favorite. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. Hey, it's Annie, and why does it look... That needs ring. Bobbity puts them on. Let's see. Did I get enough glue on there? Yeah, it looks like I did. Who's calling me? Scammers. God, I fucking hate scammers. Okay.